This is Bailey. Bailey is a Hanoverian. He's 15 years old. He competed when he was younger pretty extensively, so now he has some issues which allow him not to compete. See, he's wearing wraps behind, a little bit of support there. So what his future should be is light riding, pleasure riding, low-level dressage, something peaceful, something easy for this nice, quiet 15-year-old Hanoverian who's about 16 years old. Also, when it's mealtime, he should be fed independently from other horses, because if he is not fed independently from other horses, it is possible he could lose weight. He's not aggressive, he's not pushy about getting his own meal. So he has to have either a stall to get into or a separate feeding situation. That's essential for his good health and maintenance. Here's Bailey trotting on a lunge. Here's Bailey cantering. Alright, here is Bailey just having a walk. Here he is trotting.
It's going to give us time, Jen, if you and Annie are okay. This is right out there. Looks good though. Just don't lace your right leg. I can see you don't lace your right leg.
And there's a lovely canter. Look at that. Isn't that nice? That is very pleasant. What a nice gelding. And here we are tracking to the left. There's Bailey trotting left. And Bailey's in southeastern Massachusetts. That's where Bailey can be found, in southeastern Mass. There's Bailey cantering left. What a good soul. How nice. What a nice horse. Good job. So, if you are interested in this adorable horse Bailey, this wonderful horse Bailey, call this phone number, 508-763-3224. That's 508-763-3224, and ask for Bethany or Barb, and they'll be able to tell you anything you need to know more about Bailey.